All right, and we are live. Sorry for keeping you waiting. We were waiting on bums that never showed up, so the important people are here.
Today we have an awesome guest, Jacob.
Oh yeah, we have an awesome guest, and Evan and I get to meet him officially tomorrow. Look who it is! It's Benjamin.
Get it closer, Ben. Look, we can't even see. You can't even see you.
What?
There we go. See?
Hi. Here.
There's the man.
So, Ben, you want to tell everyone why you're at Devslopes headquarters?
I have no idea. No, I'm just kidding.
I just showed up.
I'm learning a lot from these guys here about Unity development, and I'm just hanging out.
Wait, we didn't even talk about Unity today.
Yeah, we did. Well, we did this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we did.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I don't know.
That's not even the good story.
Okay, so my super awesome wife contacted I guess she just went to Intercom and asked if there was any way that I could get Skype time, is what she was originally going for, as a Christmas present. And Mark was kind enough to say, come on out and learn.
3 easy payments of $10,000.
Yeah.
Emphasis on the easy.
Plus shipping and handling.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more.
Awesome.
So
Well,
that's
sorry,
go ahead, Evan.
I wanted to get this in. What do you have to say about burning the ships? I think your story is pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. So I've been working as a developer for about 1.5 years. And I wasn't in love with my job. And I heard Mark talking about, burning the ships and the Ask Me Anything a couple of months ago. And it really got me thinking. And I realized I wasn't going much of anywhere where I was at. And so my wife and I decided that we would take a leap of faith, and we burned the ship. And I finished at my job Friday. And now we are moving to the East Coast to find something.
Yeah.
Nice.
But he took it a little too far in that he actually took gasoline to the building he worked at and burned the building.
Look, it's not my fault. They built the place like a ship. I thought it was finished.
Yeah, that's exciting and super sweet Christmas present from your wife. She's got to be cool. And looking forward to hanging out with you, man.
Yeah.
Tomorrow through Thursday.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. Sweet. So what else did you do today?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been working on Unity stuff all day.
Oh, boring.
Boring. It's the most exciting kind of programming.
I thought we were supposed to indoctrinate him with some Angular work, like slave labor.
I think that's why he quit his job.
Well, I asked. Jason never got me a list.
I know he did. He did help Jason.
Oh, man.
He lost some Angular stuff today.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
I helped out a little bit, but
He was like, Jason, why are you writing all your code in comments? Jason's like, because it doesn't give me compiler errors.
Yeah. How do you write the safest code? Don't write code.
Code that never runs.
Yeah.
Best code is the code that's never written, and that kind of counts. So, I mean,
Awesome.
Sweet, man. Excited to meet you tomorrow. My day wasn't very exciting. I did some housekeeping on our current API, and I'm excited to play with some new endpoints I created.
You said you weren't excited. Now you're saying you are excited.
Well, my work wasn't exciting, but I'm really excited to trigger my endpoint. If that makes sense. And then I'm back to API 2.0 after this call. I just have to work on separating admin and client auth still, and two-step authentication. So.
And not giving us 500 errors.
Oh yeah, I had to change that on the login. Apparently, Mark doesn't like internal server errors as a status.
Nope.
I'm gonna give you like just giant numbers that don't mean anything.
That's what I'm already getting.
No, it's gonna be bigger.
Just give him the teapot error.
So yeah, that was my day. It rained here. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow because I don't drive in the rain.
Why didn't you take the train?
Jacob, I'm already expecting like 5 responses of things you have to do to your truck, or why you couldn't come, or why you left 10 hours late because your car had some black stuff pouring out of it.
What? She runs like a beauty.
She's solid now.
I got to get some widgets for her engine because her Altimaker went out.
I do have an engine I'm eyeing up that I want to put on her.
Nice.
It's gonna be sexy, and I'll actually get better gas mileage. Who would have thought?
So it's not a Corvette engine.
Well, it's a modern day engine.
It's a Honda Civic
with those computers and things.
That's not Jacob. You should do that Honda Civic engine, buddy.
He's got a 1.6.
If someone wants to put it in, I'll gladly blow it up. I'll go and hit some dunes by Mark's house. All right, that was my day. Who else is there? I'm gonna do Evan. He always goes last.
Yay! It was a good day. Had a good call in the morning, just to kind of reconvene. Did some Asana cleanup, customer support, UI specs for Nate. I don't know if you got my message, but we can work on that tomorrow. I think it might be easier if we are kind of in the same room for that. Worked on 2-factor authentication flow for the bulk of the day, which included some mock-ups, some squiggles, which is always fun. But in light of that, I think maybe I have a recommendation, but I want to get your guys' thoughts on it, Jacob and Mark specifically, how we can handle that. But yeah, that was my day.
Good, man.
Cool.
I think if someone gives us a fake email, we just send them a virus. Like we get the real email and then we send them a virus.
Perfect. I've already written the code.
That's how we feel about people who give us fake emails.
We just want to stay in touch.
We also feel that way about other people too.
Well, you know, Evan, I'm not saying this is what you want to do, but this is a real problem in companies, which is why Facebook now, they even have, they're doing phone authentication where you actually use a phone number as a login instead of an email address because there's just so many people now who don't want to enter emails for some reason, as if a phone number is any better. Now they're going to be texting me, but
like I'll enter my social, but
yeah,
we should do
not my email.
Yeah, we should make phone numbers and send them verification text number. Ooh,
actually, Facebook even has a service for it, so you don't even have to. It's like Facebook login, but it's not with Facebook, and it's just a phone service through them that you can implement in your apps, where you use their API to use phone numbers, and they manage all of that. Of course, they're stealing data, like, oh, who does this phone number belong to and stuff. That's how they make their money. But like, they don't even force Facebook login anymore. You're like, hey, you want to log someone in with a phone number? Just use our API. Anyway.
All right. Yeah. No, I'll show you, or we'll discuss it later. I guess my point was that like I started to kind of mock things up and go through the process and the flow, the ideal user experience, and then it kind of took me down this rabbit hole of just a lot more work, I think, for you guys than anticipated. But
Jacob likes it.
And Jacob's endless laundry list of tasks. But yeah, I just want to get your guys' technical brains on it.
Okay.
I just don't think we should allow anyone to log in.
It makes sense.
It should be a really special list. You have to contact me, and maybe I'll give you an account. Maybe I won't.
But it's funny. How do they expect people, like, if you think about it, because I know lots of people who are like, I don't want to give out my email. So how do you expect to manage an account or like make a payment? Like, how do you? I mean, I guess you do like if it was like blockchain kind of stuff, and you just have a public address that you send money through or something. I
have a solution. Sorry, dude, you're gonna have to give us your email.
I know, but I'm just saying, what do they think is the replacement for like not we don't want to give out our email. Well, what do you want to give out so we can give you an account? You know, how do we?
Well, we accept social security numbers and mothers' maiden names.
What's your favorite pet?
What city were you born in?
Yeah. Thank you.
What was your first vehicle?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. They say the new email replacement is just showing up to my house like Ben did. We'll verify you in person.
Ben was pissed. Ben was pissed we wouldn't verify his email, so
Ben wouldn't verify, so now he's stuck here.
It's true.
So he had to come out to Mark's. We had to make sure he was getting our emails first, and then we created him an account. So.
Dude, it was a long drive, but at least my email's secure. Just saying.
It's good for both sides. It makes us both able to sleep at night. All right. Well, good work, Evan. Oh, look who decided to show up.
Busted. Sorry, guys. I was in the car and my phone went on Do Not Disturb while driving, and I didn't get the message. And I was looking up sous vide recipes, so that's my fault. I apologize.
And we did start at a different time tonight, so we probably threw you off.
Okay, so it's your fault. That's fine. That's mine. Just kidding.
All right. No, it's not your turn, Caleb.
Oh, it's not? Oh, fine. Whatever.
No, it's Nathan's turn.
Well, I'm just going to drink my coffee then, so bye.
Oh man.
He's in the car. You should let him go. What if he loses reception, or what if his wife's like, "We gotta go"?
My wife is nice. She wouldn't yell at me.
Wow. He just totally heard you give her a nasty white voice.
Sold out.
All right, Nathan, your turn. I'm sticking to it.
All right. Today, mostly, Mark and I pair programmed. We were going over the network service that I put together over the weekend, cleaning it up, making sure when users log in, everything works pretty.
Dude, this is the most boring freaking update ever. Give me something better.
No.
This is
Hey, some exciting news. Ben, what is your wife's name?
Michaela.
She totally is watching us right now.
She is.
Oh.
Which is exactly why I'm behaving. I'm just saying.
So, yeah, sorry. You know, my update's boring.
No, come on. I coded.
Today was such a good day. I watched Mark refactor my code today.
And what did you learn, Nate? What exciting
And I
things
learned
did
a
you
lot.
learn?
And I learned that when you're using Flexbox, you have to have everything in its own little compartment. Like I had a button free floating, and so the parent container that it was in, it wasn't inheriting the Flexbox stuff. I had to put the button in a div, and it magically worked.
So I was telling him, like, in his code, he was like forcing stuff to work, and I'm like, Nate, it seems like you couldn't get it to work, and so then you just did hacky stuff to force it to get it to work. He's like, yeah, well, I mean, no, but I couldn't get things to work, so I just forced it. And I was like, no, is that what you do? Is that what you do, Nate? So we had discussion.
But Jason said I could.
Jason said I could.
Jason said it would be 1,000 times better.
If you absolute positioned everything, it would make your app amazing.
And if you don't do it that way, it absolutely 100% will not work.
Never. Like, you cannot have HTML
Impossible.
absolute position everything. It just, you can't.
You need
It's
to be
not
sure
possible.
of where it's at exactly.
Yeah, absolutely sure.
Absolutely
You
sure.
will definitely 100% lose it on the screen. All right, Jason, how about you?
Make
I
it
had
exciting.
a lot of fun. Devslopes 2.0. Finished up a lot of things on the checkout page with some spitting animations. No, I got a spitting loader to go on the when a person's logging in or creating an account. So it actually, the CSS actually works with the post request, sending data, getting it back.
Wait,
so,
CSS makes a post request?
I said it works in between,
All
Mark, the time.
So I'm
that
behind
the
in the
request is
times and
being
technology.
made.
Dude, wait, you don't code in CSS, bro?
So I didn't know. I didn't know. I guess I'm behind. Just code in CSS and make my post requests.
Okay, fine. I set a Boolean in the post request and tied it to a CSS class. Jeez. Anyways, lots of fun there. And I've started the about page of the of 2.0. It's gonna be fun. Evan says that he can take some new pictures of us. While he's gets up here tomorrow, and I'm just debating: do I want short-haired version Jason or long hair version Jason?
Like, does that mean you're gonna get a haircut tonight?
I don't know. My wife hates my hair so much. I've been putting it in a ponytail, and she hates it.
And you're either gonna have to cut it or put it in a man bun.
I told him he's gonna get a new nickname, which I won't say, the day he puts it in a man bun. So, and he's like this close to doing it. So,
I like it. It's good.
Man, bun it up.
Wait.
I support you, Jason.
I'm doing the sass.
Shade. Anyways, that was my day. I had a lot of fun. Thanks, guys.
Okay, good job. I'm like really excited to see all your CSS code.
yeah, dude, I'm gonna dive into that new programming language, CSS.
Yeah, we should make a wrapper for CSS.
The language is called Code Super Smart.
Oh.
Man. All right, Mark.
I'm the kind of person that makes coding fun. It's true. I make my own analogies. And terms.
I did Nate's code review, which turned into pair programming. There's some fundamental stuff, and I wanted him to learn. I wanted him to learn about async and awaits, as well as like observables and stuff. And so we worked with that. So the project's real nice. It's really, really nice. It's real good, Evan. It's like real good. So minus the fact that Nate's blocked because Jacob's code delivers internal server errors. So there's that. But you should actually just make the UI and simulate a failure, and then pass a message into it. And so I'm just trucking along. I'm gonna jump here on the website soon and start getting purchasing stuff going and all that jazz. So
Sweet. I'm glad you didn't see what I am gonna probably have to edit out of the video later.
Oh, sorry. No, I didn't see. Oh, we also got a build out last night. Our very first distributable.
Oh yeah.
Distributable build.
Awesome.
Evan, you should.
It's.
Oh, I don't have it on my screen. Do you still have the DMG?
Wait.
Evan?
I have it installed.
No, I want to show the DMG thingy. You know,
I have that on in my downloads.
Yeah. Can you just share your screen and then show the DMG pop-up window and dragging the app?
It is awesome. It's blazing fast too. Like under advertised even. Like when they said it was super fast, when I got my hands on it, it was faster than fast. It's crazy.
Take that.
Feels like the UX is awesome. Like the experience is. You guys did an amazing job, like putting this whole thing together, and it just keeps getting better. So, oh, look at that! Look at that!
Yeah.
So we got our fancy little DMG installer with an icon, which is pretty cool. And then you can just but I already have it installed. So if we come down here, you can see it right there. Don't worry, it doesn't say Devslopes 2 unless you leave the old one there too. Should I click on it?
Yeah, do it. Sweet. Cool.
Speedy.
Well, we'll hide all the broken stuff.
Yeah.
But
you know what it is, guys? It's Apple's stupid thing. It's their Jacob, the thing that blocks network requests that came out with iOS 9.
App transport security.
Thank you. I didn't set app transport security.
Isn't it HTTPS?
Is our dev server? I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'll look.
Oh, the dev server might not be. That's right. That might be it.
Yeah. And that video is just, it's a default URL that gets loaded, I think, if
Yeah.
So anyway.
But it's pretty cool. It's exciting.
I have the installer background.
I want it. I want it.
Should I tell? I'll put your name on it.
Thank you. I wanted to ask you for it beforehand, but I was like, well, it's almost midnight. I got this done. It's his birthday. I'll just make it.
I made it like a couple weeks ago because I had it in my task, but I just moved it to done because it was literally just the image. And so I didn't think to even, yeah, it's there now. It's in progress in Asana.
All right. I guess we can let Caleb go now.
He's been like
We've
dragging
made him
him
wait long enough.
Haven't let him go. He's like in the Costco parking lot.
All right, we'll sign off, and then if you want to stick around for any technical stuff.
Caleb hasn't even updated yet.
Oh, sorry, Caleb. Thought you went. My bad.
Now he's just ignoring us.
I know. Caleb.
Yeah.
Guys. Just looking for
Oh.
See, now he doesn't have service.
Yeah, exactly.
Dang it, Jacob.
Caleb, talk to us.
You offended him.
All right. Well, I think Caleb worked on content. He's trucking away.
Oh yeah, I had a call with him today about unit testing, so that was cool.
Give him some good information.
Yeah, I mean, I think he was trying to overthink what unit testing is, and we just talked about it, and yeah, I think he's good.
He probably did unboxings. I can do Caleb. Did some unboxings today. Made a fantastic partnership with some tech company. It's going to be huge. It's going to be awesome. Woo! It's great. And just had some coffee, so I'm a little bit high strung right now. And going to go record some more videos. And woo!
Blueberries.
All right, Caleb, when you watch this back, rate the performance.
I really hope he can at least hear us. And he's just frozen to us. And Johnny got himself sick again, so that sucks.
Poor dad.
Yeah.
He did absolutely nothing today. All right, guys. Cool. We'll talk to everyone later, but everyone else can please stay on. That would be super.
Yeah. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.